welcome back. It's my last video. I did take that Gen 5 Whipple off my truck, and there's no real confirmation online, no pictures, no proof saying a truck Whipple will not fit a Coyote swap. So today I'm going to pop this intake off and install the Whipple and see if it fits. All right, I took my fuel line loose. I haven't started the car in a couple of days, so it's already lost all its pressure. All right, got all the injectors unplugged. The vacuum line for the AC to work unplugged. Throttle body is unplugged. Now it should just be the, what is there, 10 bolts. 3 on the intake, and then 2 that go through the fuel rail. And that's 8mm and 10mm. All right, to get the fuel line off that goes to the high pressure pump, you need one of these. This is the second from the smallest one from the, I guess it's called like Lizelle. They're still at O'Reilly's. Just snap it around the fuel rail, push in, pull out, done. Then to put it back on, you just push forward and you'll feel it snap into place.
Catch cameras?
No.
This weather's weird.
Let's see what this plugs into. This is IMRC's. IMRC, where's the other shit? Aha, knock sensors. Oh yeah, grab it. Set it on this side. Just because the Whipple's over there.
They're gonna be at her mom's one more night, so I got the whole day to myself.
Oh shit, that just fell down in there. All right, so we're about to put the Whipple on, and like I said, everyone says the truck doesn't fit, but nobody proves it, so I'm going to prove it today just because I can, and if it doesn't fit, then there's no way to make it fit, even with half-inch K-member spacers. And I could possibly get a 3D printed elbow to lower the intake down. If it just won't fit, that's fine. I'll sell this thing off. I got a guy that wants to come get it right now, and I'll just put the Odin on it. It won't be an issue. All right, so setting in place under the time lapse. See, we fought it for a little bit. This hose clamp for the heater hose here was in the way, and the clamp for the thermostat housing was in the way. But no big deal, just moved them out of the way, moved them over. Now we're gonna put the lid on it, and then we'll start looking at throttle body angle. All right, there it is. It's on the car. I'm gonna get a side view of it. That throttle body angle is pretty damn steep though, so it could be an issue. Try to lower the hood down. All right, so the hood closes without the air tube on it. I got a picture of it, it's real close. I'm gonna try to set my camera up real quick and lower the hood down again so you can kind of see how tight it gets. All right, close it.